This is how I'm making money online with this laptop.
As you can see on the screen, these are my affiliate marketing commissions.
And I'm going to show you in this video the method I'm using so you can duplicate these results. You can do this from anywhere in the world. But before, I'm going to give away a free course.
What you need to do is step number 1, find the emoji. Step number 2, subscribe to my channel and like this video. And step number 3, comment emoji below.
Smash that like button and I will pick a winner in the next video.
The first step is to go to digistore24.com, create a free account, or login if you have one already. You have a variety of niches that you can use. For example, if I go to fitness and health, I can promote these products. This is the ultimate keto meal plan and I can earn 85% commission. So I'm going to click on business and investment. And here we have all of these products that we can promote. For example, I have been promoting this platform, Freedom Accelerator.
This is a high-ticket affiliate marketing training.
And it has 4 phases. I'm going to click on affiliate support page. This is inside of Digistore24, which is the platform in which you can find many products to promote. And if we scroll down, we have all the information to start promoting this training. Email swipes, graphic swipes, and video ads.
The next step is to create an opt-in page to collect emails.
I have my own page and I have been using this one to collect emails. When people click this button, just give me instant access. This pop-up appears and I can collect a name and an email address. This page has an opt-in rate of 50%.
That means if 100 people see my page, I can collect 50 emails.
Now, let me show you this because it's important. The headline, free masterclass, how to make money by creating 5-second silent videos. And here I have access to the 72-hour challenge. And these are the things that people are going to learn inside of the masterclass. And I'm telling people that if they put their email, I'm going to send to them a free training and a free ebook.
Those are called lead magnets. You need to give something in exchange for an email.
The next step is to create a GetResponse account because we're going to use this software to send the lead magnets. They have a free plan, so you can start working today. The next step is to create a bridge page in which I have this simple video explaining people what they are going to get when they access the 72-hour challenge. And when people click this button, the step number 1, they will go to my affiliate offer. For example, for Freedom Accelerator inside of Digistore24, this is the affiliate link. And if people buy through this page, I can make a commission. The way to set up this correctly is that you need to copy this page and then on ClickFunnels, you need to click on the button and then set action. And here where it says go to website URL, you need to paste your affiliate link here.
This is crucial, guys, because if you don't put your affiliate link in the bridge page, you are not going to get commissions from your front end sales funnel.
Now we're going to work on the back end of your funnel. Go to GetResponse, click on Tools and then Automation. Then click Create Workflow. Build from scratch. Then start the process when someone subscribes. And here you need to choose the list. For example, Freedom Accelerator. Then what you need to do is go to Email Swipes, click on Freedom Accelerator, and you can use these emails to copy and paste inside of your autoresponder. The process is simple. Go to send a message, drag and drop here. Then you need to connect the dots, create new message, write a name for the email, choose your email address, then copy this subject line and paste it here. Click on design message, blank templates. The next step is to copy all of this text and paste it. And we're going to insert our affiliate link in these words. You need to select the words, then click here, paste the URL, and then insert. And we're going to do the same process here. We're going to paste the URL, insert, and done. Click on next, and then save and finish. And you can do the same process with these emails. Now we're going to write our welcome email. Drag and drop send message, connect these dots, create a new message, and I wrote this simple welcome image. Welcome to the journey. Click here to download the free ebook. Let me know if you have any questions. Best, my name. You need to upload the ebook so you can put here the link. And the way to do that is click on Tools, then File and Images, click Add Files, and then I just need to drag and drop the ebook here. Then click on Add. To download an ebook for your niche, you can go to Google and write PLR content. And you can find ebooks, articles, videos, courses that you can give for free. So in this case, I'm going to give this ebook. So I'm going to copy the URL and I'm going to paste it here. Paste and insert. So when people read this email and click here, they are going to download the free ebook. And you can add here more lead magnets. For example, courses, articles, and I'm going to save and finish. The next step is to add more emails to this autoresponder. And we have our 24/7 sales system in which we're sending traffic to the opt-in page, redirecting people to our affiliate offer, and sending these emails automatically to promote the same offer. Now, a great way to drive traffic is to create a TikTok account and start creating content so you can get to 1,000 subscribers, and you're going to be able to put your link in the bio.
That link, it needs to be the link of your sales funnel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.